In this video, I'll show you how to install WordPress in Cpanel. Once you are in this HostGator Cpanel, scroll down till you see Fantastico Deluxe. Click on that and then click on WordPress in the left menu. Click on New Installation. Choose your domain name that you bought. Enter your username, for example admin, and password. For admin nickname, just put admin. Enter your email address, for example support@ecoveractions.net. Enter your site name, for example ecoveractions.net, and description ecoveractions. Click on Install WordPress. And then click Finish Installation. To visit your site, simply copy this link and paste it in the address bar of your web browser and press Enter. Enter your username and password to log in. Here is your WordPress dashboard. See you in the next video.